Do you ever open your microwave only to be greeted by a battle zone of baked-on food, especially on that crucial glass turntable? It is a common challenge, and thankfully, there is a simple yet incredibly effective solution. The best way to clean stuck-on food from a microwave turntable involves a two-pronged approach. First, using steam to loosen the grime, and then employing gentle scrubbing agents like dish soap, baking soda, or white vinegar. This method safely lifts even the most stubborn residues, restoring your turntable to its sparkling best. The magic of steam lies in its ability to rehydrate and soften dried-on food particles. When water heats up in the microwave, it turns into steam, creating a humid environment that penetrates and loosens the hardened food. This makes it easier to wipe away. Following up with a mild abrasive like baking soda helps to gently scrub away any remaining bits without scratching the glass surface, while dish soap and white vinegar are excellent at cutting through grease and neutralizing lingering odors. To put this into practice, simply place a microwave-safe bowl filled with 1 cup of water and a few slices of lemon or a tablespoon of white vinegar inside your microwave. Heat it on high power for 2 to 5 minutes, or until the water is boiling and the interior is visibly steamy. Let the bowl sit inside the closed microwave for another 5 to 10 minutes, allowing the steam to work its wonders. Carefully remove the bowl, then take out the turntable and its support ring. Wipe down the turntable with a soft sponge soaked in warm, soapy water, or use a paste made from baking soda and a little water for extra stubborn spots. For any remaining grime, a soft plastic scraper can be very helpful. An insider tip for maintaining a pristine turntable is to always use a microwave-safe cover when heating food. This simple habit drastically reduces splatters and prevents food from drying onto the surface. Also, consider a quick wipe down with a damp cloth after each use to catch spills before they harden. Avoid using harsh chemical cleaners or abrasive scouring pads, as these can damage the glass or leave behind residue that is not safe for food contact. By regularly applying this easy steam and gentle scrub technique, combined with simple preventative measures, you will ensure your microwave turntable remains hygienically clean, helps your food heat evenly, and contributes to a much more pleasant cooking experience every single day.